Yeah, we need to make an Easter bonnet for school, so we went to Poundland, and that's the hat that my son chose. Poundland has a wide variety of ornaments that can be added to the hat. They have like carrots, rabbit, Easter egg, sunflower. They have a wide variety, and they're all for £1. Look at him going on as if he's a big man. What ya? Walking around with basket as if he's a big man. Anyways, we're now home and we're about to start the decoration process. We're going to be lining the rim of the hat with ribbons. We bought these ribbons. I think 8 came in the pack. 8 for £1. That's not bad. So we're using 2 colors. We're using green and we are also using the beautiful orange color. Yeah, he chose those colors. I'm not the one doing this. Yeah, he's telling me what to do. And what we have done, we have placed carrots around that, and there are 6 carrots. We have 6 rabbits, and so we are putting 1 carrot per rabbit, right? So we're putting it together as if the rabbit is eating the carrot. He said that is how he wanted it. All right, so continue to watch the process. All right. Hey guys, what do you think? Please to put it in the comment section. Tell me if you like it. Yeah, I think he's gonna have fun with this hat. These ornaments are so beautiful. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend, and thank you so much for viewing.